Hi, this is Madam Pamita, and I hope you enjoy this clip from my Live Magic Q&A. If you'd like to see the full recording of the Live Magic Q&A, you can do so. All you have to do is be a part of my coven. And to do that, all you have to do is click the link below or go to patreon.com/Madam Pamita. I hope you become a part of my coven and enjoy this clip. I have a question about how to discard of petition papers under vigil candles or even melted wax. Okay, so we know when we have that melted wax in a jar, how do we interpret that? Now the question is, what do I do with the wax remains? That's another video I think I have, how to deal with your wax remains. So your petition paper. What do we do with a petition paper? Well, when we were doing a petition paper, we're putting a petition paper underneath a tray or underneath a candle. Now, if we put that petition paper underneath our tray or our dish, meaning it's not touching the wax, we can retain that petition paper and we can put it somewhere safe. We can put it away somewhere. We can carry it with us. There's a lot of things that you can do with a petition paper. Let's talk about that. Petition paper that has no wax on it. If you are trying to bring something to you, I suggest hanging on to that petition paper, meaning like you're trying to bring a new love into your life, or you're trying to bring someone closer, or you're trying to bring a new job opportunity, or you're trying to open up some abundance or prosperity. Keep that petition paper with you. Now, where you put that petition paper kind of depends on the spell that you're doing. If you're, let's say, trying to attract new clients to your business, then keep that petition paper tucked away somewhere in your business. If you're trying to get a job promotion, tuck that petition paper somewhere in your desk at your job or somewhere in your job, site if you can. If you're trying to bring more prosperity to you, you could put that petition paper in your wallet, for example. Or if you have a business, you could put it in your cash register or your money box. If you're trying to bring love into your life, if you're trying to draw a lover to come closer to you or bring new love into your life, then I suggest sticking that petition paper underneath your mattress, between your mattress and your box spring, because you're trying to bring your lover to your bed, right? Or you could stick it in your underwear drawer because it's an intimate space, or you could hide it somewhere in your bedroom. That's an intimate space and you're inviting that love into your intimate space. So that's what you can do with a petition paper for something that you want to bring in. Now, something that you're trying to get rid of, you can dispose of that petition paper along with your wax at a crossroads. You can also dispose of a spell remains, wax and petition paper and so forth at a crossroads. A crossroads is a place where two or more roads cross. You leave it in a paper bag in the center of that crossroads. You don't want to leave glass there, but you would leave wax and paper or anything else there at the crossroads. Leave it in the center, turn your back, and don't look back at it. Now, if you are wanting to put something out in the wider world, I want to be famous, so I'm going to do a spell for fame. You can also leave that at a crossroads so that you spread your fame far and wide. You are not just discarding of it, but you're spreading it out into the world. You can also take that petition paper and do something very interesting. You can take that petition paper and burn the petition paper and then use the ashes in another spell, or you can take those ashes and let the wind carry those ashes somewhere. You can take your wax and your paper, you can bury it somewhere. Let's say you want to bring a lover home, come back to me. You can bury that wax and that petition paper in your front yard. But Madam Pamita, I live in an apartment building. I don't have a front yard. I live in a high rise in New York. That's okay. You can bury your wax and your petition paper in a potted plant. So get a nice potted plant. Take that stuff, put it into a small ball, get it small, put it in with the dirt and plant a plant, and then take care of that plant. So there's lots and lots of things that you can do with a petition paper once you're done. You can hang on to it, you can dispose of it, you can burn it, you can bury it. There's a lot of things that you can do with that petition paper. I'm not even saying that you can't dispose of it, like throw it away. You could do that also. But if you're doing something where you are trying to get rid of something, I don't recommend throwing it away in your own trash can. If you're doing a cleansing spell, if you're doing a banishing spell, if you're doing any kind of negative work, take it to a trash can far away from your home. put it away somewhere far away. If you're doing it for something to bring to you, I recommend hanging on to it until you get the result that you want. Once you get that result that you want, then you can dispose of it in your own trash can. That's fine. Okay?